Kya hal people? What's up? I hope all of you are doing fine. Hope everybody is safe and happy at home. Welcome to the fifth episode. The focus on this episode is the 10 categories of dogs and the kind of infrastructure that they require, kind of houses, and what kind of a lifestyle that they require to be happy dogs. And let's not waste any more time. One last thing though, why are you guys not subscribing? Why are you guys not sharing? This is not done. I am getting depressed. Okay, so getting into it a little more now. Now let's start with the 10th. I will start from 10, go down to 1. 10 Rottweilers and Doberman. Rottweiler and Doberman are big breeds. They are guard dogs. They are very protective, very territorial. Please note that if you want to keep these kind of dogs, first of all, you require a lot of space. Second, they have big appetites. And third, you need to start training them from early ages. This so that they can be domesticated properly. If treated well, if happy, these dogs are beautiful dogs. Ninth are Saint Bernards. So Saint Bernards, Huskies, these breeds fall into the same category. These are categories that are supposed to be kept in a very cold environment. And please do not keep them in coastal or Deccan areas where heat can go up, because these dogs have very heavy coats and they will be very unhappy dogs. Even if you keep them in air conditioning 24/7, then it is not good, it is not suggested. So kindly do not try to bring these dogs into these kind of lifestyles. 8. Dachshunds. Dachshunds are sausage dogs. They are very small dogs, as you would see also. So understand one thing: all small dogs, smaller breeds, small size breeds, are generally aggressive because of their size. They need to get aggressive for self-defense. Otherwise, this dog is a very sweet, very cute, very funny dog. Very brave, fearless, and very, very homely. 7th, pugs. Pugs are a very common breed nowadays. It's a household breed. They are again very energetic, very sweet, very funny, very expressive. They are talkative dogs. But please understand that they have this hereditary nose issue. Because of the smashed nose, they have nasal infections. You need to maintain it well if you want to give your dog a long and a happy life. Number 6, Dalmatians. Dalmatians are a working breed. They were bought into or created or bred for service as service dogs. They are very active dogs. You need to give them a lot of exercise if you want them to be happy. They are not aggressive. They are very friendly, and you require a big space where they can have a lot of exercise. It's a beautiful, beautiful breed. 5. Again, 2 breeds in this category: Pomeranians and Indian Spitz. Pomeranian and Indian Spitz are very moody dogs. So what is commonly known as they have a big dog syndrome. They are very arrogant, and please understand that these dogs are they are very clingy. They are obsessed with their masters, and can get a little aggressive towards kids because they are territorial. Beagle. Beagle, as per me, is one of the most intelligent domesticated breeds. They have the capacity of taking a variety and a huge amount of commands. They are energetic. They are always eager to please. Please ensure that if you keep a beagle, you have to give him a lot of exercise. Otherwise, the dog can gain a lot of weight. It is very susceptible to obesity. German Shepherds. German Shepherds are, according to me, is a perfect dog because a German Shepherd is a working dog. It's a home dog. German Shepherds have worked with the police department, with the firefighting department. They've worked with the military. They've worked with the naval forces. They are overall a well-rounded breed. They are capable of being aggressive as well as being just like a lap dog. They are very good with kids and they only get aggressive when provoked. Cocker Spaniels. Cocker Spaniels or Spaniels are a completely domesticated breed. It's a beautiful show dog. It's an alarm dog. I have 4 of them, so I can tell you by experience that it's one of the best breeds that there is. They are very intelligent, well capable of taking commands, very obedient, and very playful. They look very good, but also understand because of their long ears. They are susceptible to air infections, and because of their heavy coats, you need to keep grooming them. Otherwise, it's a must-have breed. Number 1, Golden Retrievers and Labradors. Golden Retrievers are very homely, well domesticated, well-rounded dog. They are very beautiful. They are very friendly. They are very smart. Mostly all special needs people, service dogs are Golden Retrievers. Thus, they learn, they pick up things from very early on. So that, according to me, that is the reason that Golden Retrievers are number 1. Labradors, on the other hand, is a perfect home dog. If you have small kids, although all other breeds can also do the same, but Labradors, that it comes very naturally to Labradors. They are well accustomed to families. They are not at all aggressive, very clumsy. If you keep exercising them and training them from early age, they will mature up very fast. Overall, just a big marshmallow. So guys, this was top 10 as for me. Again, like, share and subscribe. And let me know if you have any queries for this. And also share. Thank you.